Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by powering down and unplugging the charger. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove the micro SD or SIM if present. Next, attach an ESD strap to your wrist and to a grounded metal. Position the surface on a soft cloth. Make sure the screen faces up. Use a suction cup near the bottom edge and gently lift to create a small gap, then insert a plastic pick. You're now ready to separate the bezel without cracking the glass. Once the bezel is loose, continue around the frame, take your time and use multiple picks so you don't bend clips. When the display is free, lift slightly. Do not stress ribbon cables and peel back any shielding. Locate the battery connector and photograph its orientation. Use a Torx driver to remove the screws securing the battery and any brackets. Then, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. This isolates power, so you can safely lift out the old battery and remove adhesive tabs. Position the replacement battery into the chassis and align screw holes. Reconnect the cable in the same orientation you photographed earlier. Reinstall any brackets and Torx screws snugly, but not over tight. Before snapping the bezel fully, reattach the display and power on to verify the surface boots and charges. Make sure Windows recognizes battery status. Once confirmed, press the bezel clips closed around the edge. If it fails to power, make sure the connector is fully seated and inspect the cable for damage. Reseat or swap components as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.